I'm bloody not. You have 0 kills.
Are you good? God.
0 kills. 0 kills. What's that fucking weird? What just happened to you? 0. Just get jumped there. Idot. Idot.
Are you mad? Your mum's an idiot. Idiot. Is he actually mad? Idiot.
You fucking idot.
I have nothing to say.
Oh.
Idiot. What's that, Wheeze?
Proceed to the biohazard container and secure it.
Why you kill me, son of a bitch? I thought you were a drone.
He misclicked.
Okay, my dick will be drawn next time. I will report you. I will report you for toxic behavior, bitches. Fuck you, bitches.
Oh no.
I'm starting to think you're not angry.
Me, I have no angry for these bitches. And you die, big booty. Why you kill me then when you die first?
I told you, boy. I thought you were a drone.
Drawn on your ass, bitch.
I can't handle this.
Kia?
Is her name Kia?
Sam wants to apologize.
Is it KIA, like that shitty fucking car company?
Yeah, but apologize. You said you would get it.
What a fucking dirtball name.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm not apologizing for shit. Get out of here. Why don't you dump her and date a black girl named Mercedes, dude? That's a direct upgrade.
Shut up.
Fucking Kia. Oh my god. Is that actually how you spell her name? K-I-A?
Yes, K-I-A.
Vigil in there.
What is wrong with that?
Hold that. Look how you hit you in the face with a soda can.
Okay, what are you?
Too good, mate. Too fucking
You're
good.
not.
What's this stupid phone? Piss off. Why is it just doing that? Why is it glitching out? What is that? Shut up!
Glitching.
I'm holding 5. Oh my god. What is
I'm a
happening?
pussy, then watch this fucking 1D spawn peak stand. Only real men do.
I called it. I called it. Oh. That last second.
He didn't even get to save the KD, dude. He just got oofed.
What are you doing? Hey, Idoit. Idoit.
Oh my god.
It's worse than Idot. It's an Idoit. Hard new. Go easy on him, bro.
What language?
Put out a secondary. Put out the second. Okay. Pull it out.
Can you just admit, like, with my reticle on his fucking body, that actually was fucking horrible.
Look, Ruben, you tried your best and you didn't succeed. That happens.
This fucking game's stupid. That's the most bullshit thing that's ever fucking happened to me.
How you didn't clutch that, man?
I shot him in the fucking body with a shotgun. Twice.
What is that?
What was that? What were you smoking, Marley?
Yeah.
Was that funny, was it? I'm still pissed now, honestly, I want to see that. Have you clicked that?
Yeah.
Send the fucking Ubisoft.
Should I just cast it in front of him?
Yeah, do it.
Stop.
Whoa! Should I run?
Oh, did you right, mate?
That was the biggest castle play I've ever made.
As I need one guy to clear out rumors with me, I will open the floor.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Ruben, I like the positive attitude you have in this game.
Yeah, I like it. I haven't really raged that.
you okay, Ruben?
Yeah, I was gonna get a drink, you know. Literally the timing. The fucking timing.